So today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on your Coinbase app. Now I'm actually going to just show you right over here in real time on our iOS device so you could follow along step by step. Now also, if you do not already have Coinbase, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and sign up, and you also get some free crypto for going through that process and using our link. And it helps us out making more free content just like this. Now here on the main page of our iOS device, you could tell this is our home page because the home icon is highlighted. Now, there are a couple different ways you can go through this process to buy your Bitcoin, but the easiest way that we can go through this process is right over here. You're going to see where it says buy and sell. So if you actually just click over here in this section, it's going to give you 3 different options, and we want to go ahead and buy crypto with cash. So we're going to click on this section. And from here, it's going to show you a couple things. First, you can actually search for Bitcoin. You might see it in your recent purchases, and you can also see it in top assets. So again, if you don't see it in one of these 2 sections, you can just go ahead and search for it. But since we see it right over here, we're going to go ahead and click on this. And this is going to take us to our section here. I want to break this down just real quick. First and foremost, this is a one-time purchase order, but you can go ahead and click on this and do different things such as doing limit order, or you could do a reoccurring purchase. So we want to do the one-time order for our example here today. And then it's going to ask us how much we want to go ahead and purchase. So this is going to be in, you can see here, USD, or you could switch it over to be buying in actual Bitcoin. Most likely you might be doing a 0.000 something in Bitcoin. So for our example here today, though, we're going to keep it at the USD here. And we're going to go ahead and say we want to buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. So we're going to put in 20 here, and it's going to tell us how much Bitcoin approximately we will have. Now, next up on this section down here, it's going to tell you how you're going to pay for it. Now, we already have a bank on file, but if you don't, this is going to be a section where it's going to ask you to go ahead and add one, or you can actually even add one in this process as well. So where it says pay with, we're going to go ahead and tap on this, and you're going to see a couple different sections here. You might have some USDC on here. You might have a couple of different bank accounts like we do. You might even have some cash on hand, and you can even do Apple Pay. Now, again, if you don't have something on here, we do have a video that's going to come up right after this to show you how to go ahead and add a bank account on file. So for our example here today, we're going to go ahead and just use the cash that we have sitting in our account. And now it's going to show us what we have available. Obviously, $25 is available, and we're going to be using 20 of it. And of course, we just want to verify that we are buying Bitcoin. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and click on a review order. This is not officially confirming it just yet, so keep that in mind. And from this section here, it's going to tell you what the current price of Bitcoin is as of this recording. Again, you can see this in real time, how much you might be receiving based off of the whole process, and then how quickly this is going to take, which here it shows it's instant. Now down here, it also does show you the fee for going through this process. So just keep that in mind. The more you are buying at one given time, the less this is going to be as a percentage of your purchase. Now, once everything here looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on buy now. And you can see right over here, it says our order has been submitted and that they will email us when our order has been changed to purchased. And you can see actually right over here in real time, our trade was actually successful as of recording this. And it tells us how much Bitcoin we have. And now that is added into our Coinbase account. Now from here, you can go ahead and click on done. And it shows you right over here in your transaction page how much Bitcoin you had purchased, and that purchase has gone through. Now, like I mentioned earlier, just in case you do not have a bank on file for your Coinbase app just yet, we got you covered. Check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to add a bank account on file.